My concluding remarks as we end the khutbah, it's the occasion of Tabuk. The Prophet of Allah had exhorted the companions to spend. Those that were wealthy, they had the economic muscle, they donated in large amounts. And there was a companion by the name of Ulbah radiyallahu anhu. He got up by night, he said, Allahumma innaka amartana. Oh my Lord, you've instructed us to donate and spend. ثُمَّ لَمْ تَجْعَلْ عِنْدِي مَا أَتَقَوَّى عَلَيْهِ. And then by your will, you haven't given me wealth through which I can spend. And I've come to your Prophet ﷺ, and he couldn't provide me with any help or conveyance because of the fact that all resources were depleted and exhausted. And Allah sketches the image in the concluding page of the 10th juz of the Quran. وَلَا عَلَى الَّذِينَ إِذَا مَا أَتَوْكَ لِتَحْمِلَهُمْ قُلْتَ لَا أَجِدُ مَا أَحْمِلُكُمْ عَلَيْهِ تَوَلَّوْا وَأَعْيُنُهُمْ تَفِيضُ مِنَ الدَّمْعِ حَزَنًا أَلَّا يَجِدُوا مَا يُنْفِقُونَ. There's no blame on those who come to you and ask you to take them on a conveyance or give them funds, and you say you don't have anything. They turn while they tear and sob that they don't have anything to give. He got up that night, he said, oh Allah, I don't have economic wealth or money to give, but I want to make a donation. I don't have a physical, I don't have a tangible, I want to make an invisible, intangible donation. وَإِنِّي أَتَصَدَّقْ عَلَى كُلِّ مُسْلِمٍ بِكُلِّ مَظْلِمَةٍ أَصَابَنِي فِي مَالٍ أَوْ جَسَدٍ أَوْ عِرْضٍ. My donation is not money, is not monetary. My donation is any person who's offended me, violated me, or insulted me, or will offend me or violate me. I have forgiven them all unconditionally. And then he went to bed. The next morning when he came to the Prophet of Allah, the Prophet ﷺ said, Manil mutasaddiqul bariha. Last night someone gave charity, please make yourself known. So he didn't think that was him. The Prophet ﷺ said, Manil mutasaddiqu bi'irdihi al-bariha. Last night who gave charity of his self-esteem? He said, me, O Prophet of Allah. He said, Abshir fawalladhi nafsi biyadihi laqad kutibat fi zakat al-mutaqabbala. May Allah bless you. Your charity has been readily accepted and embraced by Allah. Muhammad bin Ash-Shafi'i said, Man nala minni aw aliqtu bi dhimmatihi abra'tuhu lillahi shakiran minnata. A'ara mu'awwiqa mu'minin yawm al-jaza' aw hal asu'u Muhammadan fi ummatihi. I have forgiven everyone. I don't want to appear before Allah on the day of Qiyamah and realize that the entry of someone into paradise is suspended because I have not forgiven him. So I have forgiven anyone and everyone. In English, the very profound quotation is, forgive the next person. He might not deserve the pardon, but you deserve the peace.